When most people think of California, they think of the beautiful beaches, warm sunsets, and soft sand. They see California as a place of paradise. However, what most people do not think of is how California is home to one of the most dangerous faults in the world. This is the San Andreas Fault that has caused several unforgettable earthquakes. An earthquake is a sudden, rapid shaking of the earth caused by the shifting of tectonic plates in a fault. More specifically, the San Andreas Fault is where the North American and Pacific plates touch. These plates are rigid slabs of rock that comprise the crust and upper mantle of the Earth. These plates are continually moving, but once they touch each other, they get stuck. The plates then move to try and pull apart, but instead cause stress in the rocks along the fault. Once these rocks break, disaster strikes and earthquakes happen. This process is called the elastic rebound, which produces the seismic waves that travel through the ground and shake the surface. These seismic waves are what people feel when encountering an earthquake. The seismic wave's energy is measured by its magnitude. An earthquake can have little magnitude that people sleep through, or can have a massive magnitude that can take down cities. These magnitudes are measured through a logarithmic scale. Each unit of magnitude corresponds to a factor of 10 in ground motion and a 31.6 in energy. These magnitudes are then separated into intensity scales. These intensity scales consist of minor earthquakes with a 3.0 to 3.9 magnitude, light earthquakes with a 4.0 to 4.9 magnitude, moderate earthquakes with a 5.0 to 5.9 magnitude, strong earthquakes with a 6.0 to 6.9 magnitude, major earthquakes with a 7.0 to 7.9 magnitude, and the worst, great earthquakes with a 8.0 to higher magnitude. These earthquakes with high magnitudes can destroy homes, schools, and roadways. There has been bridges that have collapsed and buried people underneath. They could set fires or cause flooding depending on what they destroy. Earthquakes can cause many fatalities and injuries. I have lived in California for 18 years and have witnessed such disasters caused by earthquakes. In 1994, I was a victim of the Northridge earthquake. It measured a 6.7 magnitude and struck early in the morning. Our house was destroyed in this earthquake. More than 60 people were killed, more than 7,000 injured, and 20,000 people were left homeless. I am thankful my family knew the safety procedures for when earthquakes strike. My family took cover under tables and made sure we had our earthquake emergency kits present. If it weren't for those procedures, who knows what could have happened. Since then, my family takes an active role in the community by teaching elementary school students how to prepare for earthquakes. Although earthquakes can cause so much disaster, no one can deny the power and majesty of a